Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Creating flavor combinations using artificial intelligence. IBM Research has partnered with McCormick to create a line of one-dish recipe mixes that will soon be on the market. Dr. Richard Goodwin is the manager of the Computational Creativity Research Group at IBM.
The computer, takes all this data, the information about the formulas and the raw materials and the sensory results, and learns patterns of things that work well, combinations of ingredients that pair well together, functional substitutes, and other things. And then it uses these to generate new suggestions.
Dr. Goodwin says the results have been pretty impressive. And later this year, you'll be able to put the products to the taste test yourself. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.